Alright, it is update time on the 440 for the 69 Dodge Charger. I started on this engine from the bare block on August 1st. It is now October 13th. I had it on the dyno by August 26th. And when it came off the dyno, there was tick, 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 tick. An exhaust lifter failed with my comp cam and lifters. I just used the Pro Magnum lifters, and yeah, sure enough, one failed. And yeah, it made 480 horse, 515 foot-pounds with a 284, 484 comp cam. So pretty little cam. I had really good results, but that in turn put a bunch of garbage in the engine. So I pulled the pan, pulled the lifter galley plugs, rocker shafts, cleaned. I did not pull the crank apart because this happened real quick, blah, blah, blah. I got a magnet in the pan. Should have caught everything. Okay, whatever. I put another comp cam in, and by this time it was like the end of September. And the second, or the end of, I'm trying to read my notes here. Yeah, the second cam failed. You know, this is also in September, and that cam failed after 8 minutes on my test stand, which is a 69 Dodge Charger K-frame welded onto this apparatus that holds my radiator, all my starting equipment, battery and stuff. Here's all my gauge cluster. Yeah, it works pretty cool. There's some crummy old headers and exhaust just so you can hear what's going on with the engine. Okay, anyhow, so that's my test stand. I ordered a roller cam and lifters, and I suppose it was the end of September I got my new cam and lifters. I did some flying. I took a break from this thing, but this time the engine had to come completely down because it wasn't good for the bearings. Didn't harm the crank, although I still micro polished it. Gave it new crank bearings, rod bearings. Rings made it. They were fine. So I just lightly honed and got away with all that. I had to clean the block, clean the heads, clean the rockers again, the rocker shafts, the oil galleys, everything. It's incredibly time-consuming stuff to clean all this infectious oil that carried little micro ground up bits of lifter and cam everywhere in the engine. It was really pissed me off. Yeah, I got another video. I'm not going to post it because I was really, you've seen me crash planes. I was pretty pissed on that second cam. But just for the record, Summit is where I bought the first cam and lifters. They accepted them returned, no problem. Money was back on my credit card within like 10 days. The other cam I purchased somewhere else. I had to send it back to comp, and yes, it took a while to get through to comp. You've got to get a confirmation number by their phone, which took hours, but I was determined. And I talked to a guy there, and all they could do was replace the cam. So they sent me back, they gave me a 509 and another set of lifters, which I don't know if I'm going to have the guts to run in anything. So this is a Urson roller cam, roller lifters. So I had to cut a new set of push rods. Yeah, the whole thing ended up being another couple $1,000, and a month's worth of hours into this thing. So this is like, you know, your models and stuff. Where I say don't give up. Yeah, don't give up. I was close to put my spare CUDA engine in that car, but that's a B engine. That's a stroke 383. I wanted a 440 in that 69 RT 440 car. So here it is. It is. I have run it for 45 minutes, a couple of gallons through it. Actually, that is a couple of gallons of gas through the test stand here. Let's fire it up, let you hear it. Watch that oil pressure. It's pretty cool. Alright, so you get the idea. I'm not going to rev at 6,500 here on the test stand. I want to get some load on them rings, get it in the car now, and test my transmission. And yeah, we got no leaks, which is awesome. This is my 4th in a row with no rear main leaks. I got a good procedure from Hughes Engineering. It's on their website, how to put these rear seals in these Mopars without having them leak. It requires measurements and feeler gauges, and this is the 4th one in a row that is not leaked, so I'm quite happy with that. Let's see, what did I do with my notes? I got notes here somewhere. Here they are. I joined another flying field. This is TCRC up in Jordan, Minnesota. It has paved runways. And it's really a cool place. I am looking so forward to doing some videos with the Superfort and the B-24 on paved runways. It should look a lot like Tinian or Okinawa or something like that. Yeah, nice place, nice guys flying there. They fly a lot of glow there. The only downfall of this field is there is no electricity. So my electric stuff has to be charged before I come, or charge it off the van. But you will see videos from this from the new flying field pretty darn soon. Let's see. Yeah, with all the FAA requirements and rules and crap that you got to fly your plane at a flying field, it's kind of got me a little scared. I've still got places I fly that no one will ever know about. I'll keep it that way. So, this is the update for the 440 for Janis. I'm so relieved. This is kind of like the maiden of the B-29. I've got that sort of a... Oh man, I am so relieved that this thing sounds good and doesn't leak. It runs cool, and I don't think the roller lifters and rockers and cam will be going bad anytime soon. So, yeah, there's my collection of, yeah. But officer, the sign instructed me to do a burnout. Yeah, I didn't steal that. My wife got that for me for Christmas one time. Anyhow, I'm just real happy this engine's at this point. I can now bolt my tranny to it and get on my way. Here, let's look at my filthy shop here at my tranny. Here's the 727 with a cope kit. It's been sitting here since June on top of the wood stove because, well, I don't need the wood stove. I'll have all this done by the time it gets cold. Is that why the buddy heater's here? Yeah. Alright, I can bolt my tranny, put my converter in this engine, and get it ready to go in the car. I am so relieved, so excited. And so happy to share this with you guys. I hope you can dig it too. You know, I really, thanks for the comments on all the videos and stuff. There's, you know, I can go places with this channel, and, well, I will, all right? Let's hear this one more time. That oil pressure is awesome. Yes, I can't wait to drive this thing. 500 horse, 5.25 foot-pounds. Yeah, this will be fun. All right, guys, I won't ramble on anymore. Guys and gals, sorry. Stay tuned. There will be more flying videos. Once this is in the charger, I'm taking a month off for flying. And I don't care if it is October and cold. You know me, I'll fly anyways. Alright guys, thanks for watching.